Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the app version and the exact system notice text. This matters because different notices require different fixes. Once done, restart the phone to clear transient issues and open the game to reproduce the notice. Make sure to note any error or code shown, then clear the game cache and close background apps to free RAM. These first steps remove common causes quickly, and they help you determine whether the problem is local or server-side. Now you dig deeper. If the notice persists, clear app data or reinstall to eliminate corrupted files. This resets local configs but keeps account data on server. Then verify app permissions. Mobile Legends need storage and network access to sync correctly. Next, test different networks. Sometimes ISP or NAT issues trigger notices. If you use a VPN, toggle it. Likewise, disable proxy settings. These steps isolate corrupted data, permission blocks, and network routing problems that commonly cause system notices. To finish, you confirm servers are up and check community announcements. Many notices are due to maintenance, and that saves time. If the issue remains, contact in-game support with screenshots, device model, OS version, and the notice code so they can trace it. Make sure to log actions you took. This speeds support. One key troubleshooting tip: replay the error after each change. If nothing helps, temporarily test a different account or device to see if the problem is account-linked or device-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.